Setting spray is the final step of your makeup routine, but the most important part, it contains 3 components: water, alcohol, and a film former that creates a layer and reduces the chance of slipping your makeup. If you fail to pick the right setting spray, your makeup may turn into a disaster. Also, as it goes, there are tons of options available on the market because not all setting sprays are created equally. So to spare you the hassle, in today's video, we have rounded up top 7 best setting sprays for you. So let's check them out.
The Trendy Beauty team, consisting of skincare and beauty experts, presents the best suitable products for you based on testing, reviews, and recommendations. We research thoroughly for each category on ingredients, formulas, pricing, and feedbacks of users, so that you get the best products for your skincare, saving your time.
If you're looking for an alcohol-free makeup spray, the e.l.f. Makeup Mist and Set is the right choice for you, which will amazingly intensify your makeup with just one application. This makeup mist is formulated with the greatness of aloe and green tea, which help to soothe and hydrate your skin. Cucumber and vitamin A, C, and E in it nourish and revitalize makeup color with just a few sprays. This setting spray has fast-drying formulas, which help to dry naturally while giving your makeup a long-lasting staying power. This product is also made with a pure vegan formula and is also cruelty-free certified by PETA. The e.l.f. Makeup Mist and Set became a fan favorite on Amazon, as users really love how it melts makeup onto their face, and the product is really affordable. Although a few users said that the product is not worthy enough to buy. So let's check out the ratings. If you're looking for true drugstore fashion, the Maybelline New York Lasting Fix Makeup Setting Spray is a great option for you. This setting spray is infused with a mixture of denatured alcohol, water, and propylene glycol. All of these advanced ingredients in it help you to achieve a fresh and just applied makeup look that lasts up to 16 hours. Its lightweight and breathable finish glides into your skin while giving your makeup soft, comfortable hold and also controlling shine. This setting spray is dermatologist tested and it protects your makeup from melting or fading out. The Maybelline New York Lasting Fix Makeup Setting Spray pleasantly surprised the users as it gives a pretty finish and reduces the appearance of blemishes and scars. But a few users complain that the setting spray does not come with the proper appliances. So let's move on to the ratings. The Milani Make It Last Setting Spray is a drugstore setting spray which is formulated to work on oily skin type while providing a natural, long-lasting finish. This product is made with a combination of microfine charcoal powder and silica, which works to minimize the appearance of pores and set your makeup for up to 16 hours. It also has an Evermatte and Honey Matte, which gives your skin bright, powdery finish and makes sure your skin looks virtually poreless. This 2-in-1 setting spray and bottling paper is made with a vegan formula. For the striking statement, it is a style setter that always provides a just applied vibe. The Milani Make It Last Setting Spray is highly recommended by users as it greatly blends all the powder, gives a natural look, and also keeps makeup on all day. But besides that, a few users were not really impressed with the product. So it's time to rate this setting spray. The Rimmel Stay Matte Fix and Go Setting Spray is a 2-in-1 primer and setting spray. which helps to lock makeup in place and gives you a complete look. This transparent setting spray has the goodness of cucumber extract that helps to keep your skin nice and soft. It also helps to prolong and enhance the wear of makeup. Its one application keeps your skin shine-free all day long. This setting spray can be applied underneath or on top of makeup, and its exclusive formula leaves your makeup looking vibrant and radiant even after applying for an hour. Users highly recommended this product because it is affordable and they love how it keeps their skin hydrated. Although there are some negative feedbacks that the setting spray does not go well with oily skin. So let's take a look at the ratings. Now moving on to our next product, it's the NYX Professional Makeup Setting Spray, Matte. This Pro Pick setting spray gives you a comfortable, breathable, and gorgeous shine-free matte finish. This product is made with a mixture of niacinamide and sodium salicylate, which helps to achieve long-lasting smooth makeup until it's time to party. The cult favorite setting spray works with all types of makeup such as foundation, eyeshadow, and even powder. This setting spray is enriched with the benefits of all the ingredients that help to reduce shine and leaves your skin fresh. It's a cruelty-free product which is certified and acknowledged by PETA. This setting spray is highly recommended by users as it keeps the face looking matte throughout the day, but a few of the users really didn't like the smell of the product. So it's time to check out the ratings. Now we present to you an award-winning setting spray, the Urban Decay De-Slick Oil Control Makeup Setting Spray, which is formulated to work on every skin type while locking in your makeup. This product has temperature control technology, which lowers your makeup temperature and locks your look in place for almost up to 16 hours. This lightweight setting spray also keeps your skin refreshed. The exclusive formula of this spray gives you a shine-free look without fading. Its microfine mist makes your skin smooth while matting. Plus, it's free from parabens. Users on Amazon greatly appreciated this product because of its temperature control technology, as it does protect makeup from melting. Besides all those positive feedbacks, a few of the users think that the product is a little overhyped. So let's check out the ratings. Our top pick for today is the KVD Lock-It Makeup Setting Mist, which is an environment-friendly setting spray that delivers a luxurious and continuous spray to hold your makeup for up to 24 hours. This setting spray's lock and load formula leaves your makeup looking vibrant and fresh without being sticky on your face. It is also enriched with cucumber fruit extract and aloe barbadensis leaf juice that instantly boosts your skin and prevents uneven application. Its weightless formula keeps your skin fresh and comfortable through its higher concentration of micro droplets. This product is paraben, sulfate, and cruelty-free, and at the same time, it's made with a vegan formula. We have found many satisfied users of this product on Amazon. They appreciate as it is a great smelling mist that dries quickly and helps to hold makeup where it's supposed to. But in spite of those positive feedbacks, a few users really didn't like the product. So let's check out the ratings. So these are our top 7 best setting sprays. Thank you so much for watching our video. If you liked the video, then hit like and share with your friends. Comment below to let us know your thoughts. Consider subscribing to the channel if you love our videos and press the bell icon to get notified of our future videos.